All right guys, so we're getting ready to install the coilovers on the Turbo Civic. Super excited about this. I haven't really had videos on this on the channel in a while. There's a lot of differences in this new coilovers. First, what they told me was they made this with better material, and you could just see like the dust shields that cover the strut rods in there. That prevents all the dirt from getting in and kind of messing up the seals and stuff like that. But the material stronger. It comes with, these are flexible, and this this top hat kind of, the top mount kind of helps with steering response. And then also they're 24-way adjustable. You know, left click is to soften it up, right click is to stiffen it up. So I'm excited about these. I'm gonna go ahead and install these, and if you would like to look up any more information on these, you could go to MaXpeedingRods website, and it says all the information there. But we're gonna start and we're gonna get on this installation right now. All right guys, so we're gonna lower this. My car is really low, so we're just gonna go ahead and bottom this sleeve out. That way we can take this as low as possible. It's bottomed out. You can see inside it's kind of touching on the bottom. So right now we're just gonna tighten that up. Now you could lower that, you can adjust it from here, but here's the thing guys, when you do that, the instructions say that there's a preload on this to not adjust it from here. Now you got a lot of guys, you can see that I can probably take it down another inch or two, but when you do that, it messes with the preload, and we don't want to do that. So we're just gonna leave it right here, and hopefully this is low enough. All right guys, so these are ready to go in. We're just gonna put them on the same way we pulled them off. And watch you don't hit your car like I just did. But we're gonna put these things on the same way. Now that's on there, and let's get it somewhat on. It's on that axle. Now we're gonna have to come in here, push this down, and try to squeeze it past this upper control arm. But we're gonna lift that up and get it out the way. There we go, it's there. Now we're gonna come up to the top of the car. All right guys, so we're just tightening everything up here. That's tight. We're gonna come down. We're gonna come down to the bottom and tighten that up. All right guys, so we got this tool here, and we're just gonna come around and we're gonna snug that down and lock it into place.